So let's say you have 3 layers in a frame, and them being in a frame is pretty important, because if they're outside the frame, as you can see on the left, they will behave differently. So yeah, make sure they're in the frame. Let's say you have 3 layers, right? And you want to readjust the order. You want this layer to be at the bottom, you want one to be at the top. How do you do that? Well, you have a few options. So first option is you drag the order and you move one at the top. That's option one. Again, just make sure they're in the same frame, because for example, this is like outside the frame, and see, I moved it underneath the actual frame. Now it disappears, so it's confusing. Make sure they are within the same frame, right? So right now they're in the same frame. Yeah, so that's option one. You just drag and drop them to reorder them from the sidebar. Option two is you right click, bring to front or send to back. So if you want to bring it to front, use the straight bracket, or just, yeah, either right click or just use the keyboard. Another option is if you want to do it one by one. So right now this is at the bottom, and you have the bracket keys, right? You move it back and forth. Now if you want to do it one by one, so layer by layer, you want it to be between 8 and 9, just hold control. So you're holding control and you're pressing the straight bracket basically. So it moves it one by one, as you can see on the left. Yeah, so that's how you do it.